My beautiful and amazing people, hey, wonders they say e no fit ever end o. Hey, endo, shakara don, shakara don end o. My people, no be small matter dey ground o. E might look funny, but it is not funny at all, at all. And now, according to the information wey we dey hear from the information center, say Two-Face was nowhere to be found, abi? E don jam leg together, start dey do the same thing wey e dey do to Annie Macaulay. Dey go from one place to the other, e no gree sit down one place again. Natasha come use her office as an honourable wey no get honour, send people make dem start dey look for Two-Face Oja Idibia. Sotey e send message to im parents say make dem look for Two-Face, else dat thing wey dem dey find for Sokoto, she go make sure say she carry am put am for their Sokoto. She give dem hours wey dem go look for Two-Face. Funny enough, dem no need look for Two-Face for long. They finally capture Two-Face. Carry Two-Face come im own house, come lock am house arrest. Wetin happen, my people? Make una draw una chair come closer. Make una come hear this matter wey we dey hear. If this information is correct, na im be say Two-Face don go carry croaker fish, the bone, put for im neck. E no go down, e no go up. Wetin go happen last last? Whether na to chook, wetin dem go chook inside take bring am out, na im go remain, or e go kpai put. Before I go cap una the cocoa of the cocoline, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest of all legit info. If una never subscribe to this channel, I use God to beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, hey, make una come hear wetin they say is up for Two-Face Oja Idibia own house. After they look for Two-Face, after all the 24 hours message to Two-Face mama and so on and so forth, after all the drama put together, they finally capture Two-Face, carry am come in house, come lock am for inside house. Wetin they say e be offense now? They say that offense na two ways. Either they carry am go put am for Kirikiri, or im go gree to dey the house arrest. They give am option. Una know talk say na here wey we dey, we hear say Two-Face go do DNA test for im pikin wey Natasha born for am. E come find out say 99 point something% allegedly no be im pikin. Now e come say im wan do e wan run away. According to Natasha, say im wan run away. E no wan take responsibility, and because she dey give am close marking, he is not comfortable. That's why im go do like DNA test, carry results come say pikin no be im own, so that he go get wetin go make am fly comot. At the end of the day, they come say okay, make dem redo another DNA to be sure, since Two-Face carry the matter for head. Natasha say she no go do, say na outside country she want. Im own grandfather say okay, I go take responsibility, I go pay, I go put everything. Make two people, from one person from your own side, the woman side, one person from the man side, make dem go obodo oyibo, go do and represent them, carry the results, come back. Natasha say no, na she and the Two-Face and im family and her family na dem go. Say she no want two-person representative anything. Later, now we come hear say a man came out and said that e dey allege say the pikin na im get am. Say Natasha contacted him to do surrogacy, make dem hiddenly collect pikin. Dem come sign, seal, do everything put together. As dem do am finish, Natasha time reach to pay. Natasha pay half. Normally, say you go pay half. If the pikin don come out, everything don seal, you go pay the rest. Pikin don come out, everything don seal, make Natasha pay the rest. Natasha no gree pay, according to the information allegedly. So when the matter come burst, Now everybody start dey shout. Mama Two-Face come say, she too, she suspected it when Natasha say she no wan breastfeed pikin. She suspected it when Natasha say she no dey drink hot water. She suspected so many things, but she couldn't talk. But nevertheless, as the whole thing don happen now, they must do that DNA. They must come to conclusion about that DNA. They must do am. Since Natasha now dey claim say that man na lie in the lie, the man say he no dey lie. They do their drama, they go, they come, they go, they come. Natasha even come threaten the man say she go sue the man for defamation, for coming to say things wey no right. And according to the man now, say Natasha be dey tell am say the pikin don already dey cause drama, e don dey cause chaos, so make him come carry im pikin. Na wetin she bin tell the man, wey make the man provocate say that is not our agreement, you cannot tell me to come and carry my child. Now Natasha say she no know the man, wey come make the family come conclude say they dey go do DNA. Now according to police report now, wey make dem lock Two-Face for inside house, they say Two-Face no go fit talk say he no know say Natasha carry belle. Say shebi in dey nakademus Natasha during the time wey she carry this belle. Is it that Natasha dey push the belle out, or her belle no big, or she dey force the belle, dey push am out, in dey think say na belle dey there, or that head wey in dey carry go down, dey go dey observe whether pikin dey kick or e no dey kick. Im no do am when the Natasha get the belle, or wetin give am the conviction say no be Natasha carry that belle born that pikin. Say he must come out with evidence. He must come out, come tell the world how e take no be im pikin, how no be Natasha. Unless maybe he go talk say na Natasha carry the belle, but later something happen, maybe the pikin kpai, they change the pikin or something. But he no go fit talk say he no know say shebi she no dey put cloth, abi they no dey do basmati style in the other room, abi they no dey do one or two, abi she dey always wear this her long black gown wey she dey always wear come outside for us make we see. So na him wan come take talk say Natasha no carry belle for im eye, abi na wetin dem wan really talk. Say until Two-Face agree to come stand with evidence say he never ever see Natasha stand wey God take create her, he never ever observe the belle, say no be Natasha get that belle, or else they go carry am go main kirikiri for lying upon lying on top of his wife's head. Na Two-Face say him that belle own, he no go fit talk say he no see belle, because Natasha belle stand. Her belle stand like person wey get belle. Anytime wey he meet her, she dey always even dey complain say she no want nakademus. Say anytime wey dem nakademus, e get as her belle dey always dey turn her. So he no fit even count how many times wey they really knack during the belle time. But as at the time wey in dey knack, say the beginning, they first tell her for hospital say make him no too dey do, so that the belle no go come comot. Say make him dey careful with how in dey do, because it's still very early, so he limit am. When she was now 3 months plus, he still see say the belle no too big like that. Natasha no too get big belle, according to the Two-Face. Say he observe say the belle no too big like that na but he say they no really do that much. But as at when they do him see and say the belle come out, so he no know whether na fake belle or na original belle or how. But imagine person wey get 7 good children, he no know original belle and fake belle. Make una help me see make una know talk say wahala dey for inside this Two-Face and Natasha drama. Now e confused to the extent wey be say whether na the Ikpemili na dey do am, or na wetin dey do am exactly, wey make Two-Face cannot be coherent, cannot just go straight to the point and say it as it is. E dey go backyard, dey turn up and down. Now they say okay. Now he say he no fit talk whether na fake belle or no fake belle, or as they reach the hospital they later change pikin or something, or say he no just know, but he shall know talk say he go do the DNA, and the DNA result be this. So if in dey lie, make they go do DNA for the pikin to show say in dey lie. But God knows him is not lying. Let Natasha agree to do the DNA. Now they do her house arrest. They do the Two-Face house arrest. Say he no dey go anywhere. As he no go anywhere now, Two-Face say talk, he no go anywhere, but make they tell Natasha, make they go do the DNA. If na true say him dey guilty, na him pikin and him lie, then make dem do am anything wey dem wan do am. But if na lie say na Natasha dey lie, then na she need the house arrest or the kirikiri. Say him nothing concern am, e no do anything wrong. Thank God say the Natasha dey, the pikin dey, everybody dey. Everybody will bear witness to it. Dem no gree o. Na so she use her power take lock Two-Face for inside her house. Now their Two-Face family don dey beg Natasha say because of God, make she free Two-Face, make Two-Face dey free, because he is not only a father of her child, he is a father to other children, and he deserve freedom. Say no be like that. Natasha say lie lie o. Say im third leg no wan sit down one place. The same thing wey Annie dey complain, the same thing wey Annie dey complain, na the same thing now na im dey happen. Wey make her talk say you see Desperado, anything wey dey find, they go see am. If you talk say na person own na im dey enter your eye, anything wey you find go there, you go definitely see am. No be cause as you say you no go leave person own, as dem package am put for packaging leather, you think say na heaven and earth dey inside. Now you go snatch wetin no good. You say make e stay one place. Why e go stay one place? My people, no be small drama dey happen now. Two-Face family now, they don dey beg. Na from before na dem dey talk say dem wan carry Natasha go put her for kirikiri for forging and wetin. Now na Natasha don turn the table around, don use her power as a honourable wey no get honour take use hold Two-Face now. Two-Face no go fit go Nakademus for outside, e no fit move. The matter is just about to get started. My people, una dey believe this whole story put together say Two-Face now dey confused. Ekpemili don clean im eye, e no fit even know wetin im eye see again. Make una come o, make una come chook mouth for inside this matter o. E dey possible say person go do fake pregnancy bob wey be say the husband no go know, abi wetin una think say e really transpire? Because Two-Face now with full assurance, with im full chest, e say make dem go do the DNA if im dey lie, but still Natasha say she no go do. Make una come, make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.